In this question, it is given that two cylinders of same diameters, one of iron and other of silver, are placed in contact as shown in figure. If the thermal conductivity of silver is 11 times that of iron, the temperature of interface A is approximately. So over here we can just consider that an iron rod and a silver. So if we are just considering conductivity of iron is equal to K, thus we can take it as 11 times of K. And Rm is to find out what about the value of temperature of this interface. So let's say temperature over here is equal to X. So we know that we'll consider it as like a resistor of resistance, let's say R1, and another resistor of resistance R2. So we can take it as it is 100 degrees Celsius and this is at 0 degrees Celsius. And let's say the temperature over here is equal to X. Now we can write the equation for X, that is X minus 100 divided by R1 plus X minus 0 divided by R2 is equal to 0. So over here we can write the value of R1 as nothing but we know that resistance is L by K, so we can write X minus 100 divided by R1. R1 we can take it as L divided by conductivity of this we can take it as K, and area of cross section we can take it as A, plus for second one we can take it as X minus 0 divided by R2. R2 we can take it as nothing but L divided by Ka, which we can take it as 11 Ka is equal to 0. Now in this question they are given the value of two identical cylinders, that's why we are taking the dimensions are same. So if you are taking this Ka by L as common, so remaining thing is X minus 100 plus we can take it as it is 11X is equal to 0. So we can write the value of 12X is equal to nothing but 100, or the value of X will be equal to 100 divided by 12, which is equal to 8.33. So in this question they are not mentioned that the temperature over here is equal to 0, so we should consider it as 0. That data is missing over here.